Hello friends, today I will share information about feather pigmentation. The feathers have many functions apart from flying mechanism, and nature has gifted birds to have enormous color on their feathers. There is breed wise, species wise, sex wise difference in the plumage color. Feathers get color by mainly three ways. The first one is by pigments, that is called as chemical coloration. Second one is by structural coloration, and third one is the combination of both by pigment and the structure. So by these three ways, birds feathers can get the color and they can exhibit different plumage pattern. The first way of feather coloration is through the pigmentation. This is also called as chemical coloration, and the plumage color of bird vary depending upon type, size and arrangement of the pigment in the feather. In birds, three pigment type groups are known to contribute the plumage color variation. These pigments are melanin, porphyrins, carotenoids and pseudocyanophilins. So friends, melanin is most common pigment in bird, responsible for black, brown, buff, grey and red shades of the color. The carotenoid is a plant-based pigment and provide red, orange and yellow hues. In this case, color is added to feathers when birds ingest either carotenoid containing plant. The best example is flamingo. These flamingos get their pink color from eating of algae and crustaceans that contains the carotenoids. Porphyrins are the uncommon and produce red, brown, pink and green colors. The pseudocyanophilins produce an impressive set of brilliant colors. These are only limited to single order of birds, that is parrot families. And pseudocyanophilins cannot be found in the blood or liver. That implies that they are produced directly in feathers. In case of melanin pigment, it has two main types. First one is eumelanin and the second one is pheomelanin. Eumelanin is believed to be the larger form of two melanins, which is responsible for dark black or brown hues, and eumelanin is stored as granules in oval melanosomes. The second, pheomelanin, is responsible for reddish brown pigmentation. This pheomelanin has quite different structural and light absorbance characteristics than the eumelanin. The melanin pigment is synthesized in specialized cells called melanocytes present in epidermis of birds, and these melanocytes transfer pigment to keratinocytes. Now coming to the structural coloration. The structural coloration is created through the light scattering effect. The feather color produced by refraction of light by an organized structure of feather keratin protein are absorbed by the melanin layer. So the structural coloration depends upon number of cells overlying the pigments, their structures and the way in which they reflect, diffract, disperse or absorbs rays of light. Blue and green coloration of feather are structural in nature. The blue color is refracted and the remaining colors are absorbed by the layer of melanin. The third way of pigmentation is the combination of pigment and the structural colorations. Due to both structural features of the feathers and the underlying pigments, they forms the combined color pattern, just like yellow green and black green coloration. So friends, this is about the feather pigmentation in short. Thank you very much.